Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning students, how are you today? Okay, I hope all of you is good. Who is absent today? Ada yang tidak masuk hari ini? Okay, good. Before we start our lesson today, let's pray together. Begin. Finish. Are you ready to learn today? Okay, good. Okay, for today we are going to learn about something. So, can you guess what is it? First of all, I bring something. Nah, what is it? Yes, good. This is a noodle. Can you make this noodle? Okay, very good. Where do you know how to make this noodle? On the back of packaging. Yes, good. Di belakang dari kemasan ada cara-cara untuk membuat mie. Yes, good. Where is it? This is? No. This is? No. Okay, good. On top of packaging. Jadi di atas ini ada steps how to make this noodle. Jadi di atas ini ada betul sekali ada cara-cara untuk membuat mie tersebut. And then can you guess? So what we are going to learn today? Okay, good. So today we are going to learn about procedure. Have you ever heard about procedure? Maybe when you were in junior high school you learned about procedure. Yes, good. Jadi hari ini kita akan belajar tentang prosedur teks. So for another example, this is quick start guide. Jadi this is a guidebook. Di dalamnya ada cara-cara, there is a steps how to use mobile phone. Jadi di dalam ini this is we call it a buku panduan how to make something. So good. Can you guess what is the characteristic of procedure text? Yes, good. Procedure text, there are a title, ingredients, and steps. Good. Jadi di dalam prosedur teks itu biasanya ada judulnya, ada langkah-langkahnya, dan juga ada bahan-bahannya. Okay. So for today we are going to learn about procedure text. I hope after you learned about procedure text, you can know about the definitions, the purpose, the generic structure, and also the language features, and then you can make a procedure text. But you nggak hanya tahu, but you can understand. And then if your sister or your parents or your friends ask you about procedure text, you can tell her or him about procedure text. Okay, ready? Okay, can you guess what is procedure text? Yes, good. Procedure text is a text to describe or explain how something is done or made through a sequence of action or steps. Jadi prosedur teks ini adalah sebuah teks yang menjelaskan atau mendeskripsikan tentang sesuatu yang dibuat melalui langkah-langkah. Okay, good. And then the next is purpose of procedure text. To give information to the reader about something is done through sequence of steps which enable the reader to achieve the goal. Jadi tujuannya of course to give information, untuk memberikan informasi kepada pembacanya about something. Jadi for example kayak tadi ya, this is so the purpose is to give information about how to make or how to cook noodle, and then this is to give information about to the reader about how to use mobile phone. Jadi untuk memberikan informasi kepada pembacanya. Okay, good. And the next is generic structure of procedure text. There are three generic structure of procedure text. First, provide information about the intent and purpose of the procedure or title. Jadi goal ini biasanya adalah what is it? Title or judul ya. Judulnya kayak tadi like how to cook noodle, how to use mobile phone. Okay, good. And then the ingredients or materials. Ingredients, what is it? Yes, good. Ingredients is bahan, and materials is what is it? Yes, good. Bahan. Jadi alat, peralatan. And then materials needed to perform a procedure task. Jadi bahan ini dibutuhkan untuk membuat sesuatu itu tadi. Okay, good. And then the last is step, sequence of instruction to reach the goal in the correct sequence of steps. Jadi of course, if we want to make something, we need the steps. Kita harus tahu cara-caranya untuk membuat sesuatu itu tadi. Okay, any questions so far? No? Okay, very good. And then the example of procedure text. Okay, this is how to make chocolate dip strawberries. Can you guess what is the generic structure about this? How to make chocolate dip strawberries? Yes, good. This is a goal. So, what is the characteristic of goal? Yes, usually the title is how to make or how to use or how to cook, right? Okay, very good. So this is a goal. And then the next is to chop squares bittersweet chocolate, a half tablespoon whipping cream, and the almond, and then 8 strawberries. What is it? Okay, good. This is the ingredients. Ini adalah bahan, the ingredients to make chocolate dip strawberries. Very good. And the last, there is first prepare all ingredients, second combine the chocolate and the whipping cream. So what is it? Yes, good. This is the steps. Ini adalah langkah-langkah yang digunakan untuk membuat chocolate dip strawberries. Yes. And then after you read about this example, okay, let's check the language features ya. Jadi kita kita cari kebahasaannya, kira-kira this is using what is it? Using present kah, or past, or future maybe, or perfect. Okay, let's check. What is it? Yes, good. This is using present tense. Kenapa kalian bisa mengatakan this is a present tense? Yes, because this is using verb 1. Like let's see the title, how to make. Ya, ada kata make di situ, jadi itu adalah present tense pakai verb 1. Okay, very good. And then the ingredients juga pakai verb 1. The steps-nya juga pakai verb 1. Like first step, first prepare all the ingredients. Jadi kan ada prepare all the ingredients. There is a there is a present tense. Okay, good. Okay, let's see the language features of procedure text using the simple present, ya kan? Jadi betul sekali that the procedure text is using present tense. Okay, and then the next is imperative or form of command. Jadi imperatif ini adalah what is it? Yes, good. Ini adalah kalimat perintah. So di dalam procedure text usually using imperative, like biasanya kita temukan, usually we found in the steps, because steps ini adalah langkah-langkah yang harus kita ikuti. Jadi kalimat perintah yang harus kita ikuti untuk membuat sesuatu itu tadi. Okay, good. And then using action verb. Also, of course, this is using action verb. Jadi melakukan sesuatu, and then using conjunction to short activity like a then, a while. Jadi okay, let's see the example on the second step. There is a combine the chocolate and whipping cream in a glass, measuring cup to bowl, then ada kata then microwave. Okay, and then the next, using a verb to state details or time, place accurate method. Jadi di sini of course using using adverb to details time. Jadi di sini ada, okay, let's see the example like in the second step there is 1 minute, 30 seconds, after 15 minutes, like this. Okay, and then the last is using a verb to express a stage of sequence, for example like first, second, finally. Okay, the example kayak yang contoh yang tadi yang membuat coklat celup, ada first, second, and finally. Yes, good. So far any questions? No? Really? If there is no question, I give you the materials. I give you a questions, and then you must answer this question correctly, ya. Jadi kalian harus jawab pertanyaan ini. This is just 10 questions, and I think this is very easy for you because ini adalah soal yang dari PPT yang barusan saya bahas. Jadi this is very easy, ya. Okay, let's see. Please choose the correct answer A, B, or C. Question number 1. What is procedure text? Tadi sudah tahu ya procedure text. And then number 2, what is purpose of procedure text? Tadi juga sudah tahu. And then number 3, what is generic structure of procedure text? Tadi sudah ya. Masih ingat? What is it? Yes, ada goal, ingredients, and steps. Very good. And then the number 4, what is language features? Tadi sudah ya, tahu ya language features-nya. And then the last, I mean number 5, what is definition of goal? Tadi juga sudah ya. And then for question number 6 to 10, this is example about how to make chocolate with strawberries yang tadi kita bahas ya. Oke, gampang banget kok. Kayak number 1, what is text about, how many strawberries we need, and when deep, how many tablespoons, what kind. Gampang. It is very easy, right? Okay, I give you 10 minutes to do this task, and then after you finish, you can submit to me. Okay, good. Finish? Have you finished? Okay, submit to me. Okay, thank you. And then thank you for today. Okay, thank you for today. I think for today is enough. Okay, for next week, prepare yourself, and I want you to search in internet about how to make your favorite food. Jadi kalian cari di internet tentang cara membuat makanan yang kalian suka. For example, if I like chicken, yes, if I like chicken, I search about how to make chicken like this, yeah. Okay, so your task is search in the internet or social media about how to use your favorite food, because for next week we are going to make a procedure text. Jadi minggu depan kita akan membuat prosedur text. Kita akan discuss together, kita akan diskusi bareng-bareng dan membuat prosedur text. Okay, I hope all of you understand about this procedure text, know about this procedure text. Okay, any questions? Okay, if there is no question, I think enough for today. Thank you. Don't forget to use mask, and then always bring hand sanitizer if you want to hang out. And then thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.